Hey, what's up guys, this is Rapid here from Mechanic Investors, and today I'm going to bring you two trades, which is one of them was really frustrating because the fills weren't in place. So right now I'm looking at LK. As you can see, it gapped up on the day. Now it's looking good for a continuation to the upside, and what happened there actually was a fat finger. I was trying to actually get a fill down where it's actually pulling to right now, and I accidentally hit a kit. Right away I exit my trade, no question asked. Sometimes I try to work around what just happened, and I end up being in a worse position. Right now the stock is flagging, so I was happy that actually didn't continue without me, and it's actually waiting for me at this point. As I'm watching LK here flagging, and it's putting all this formation right here, at one point you will start seeing the greens on the tape. As you can see right here, it has a lot of greens going on, and that level it's actually holding. So what I'm looking for is actually the break of the resistance that it was resistance prior, and I want to see that break. Now right now it breaks. I try to get in with my instant key, and I get filled roughly at this point about 10 cents away. I put my exit right away. I'm not gonna risk it, especially with LK. If you traded the stock before, you know how bouncy it is, and you can see this thing just continues from there. When I'm not comfortable with it, I get over it and I close my position. IQ is another stock I was watching for the day. The stock looks good for actually a bounce. You can see on the daily it washed pretty good, and then the prior day bounced, and I'm looking for that continuation. In the morning you can see the stock actually washed. I actually tried to short the stock in the morning. I wasn't getting any fills. Now IQ looks good for a reversal to the upside, and I'm looking at 22.31 mark. Like always guys, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Follow me on Twitter. If you have any questions, comment below. Let's get this content out there in front of people so they can watch it, if you're enjoying the content, of course. If you have any comments, leave them in the comment below and we can work through them. Alright, so let's go back to the chart. IQ here, it looks good. We have that daily resistance, and it's acted like a resistance in the morning as well. The stock washed and then came back, reclaimed all these levels, and now I'm looking at that 22. As you can see right here, as soon as it breaks this level, it should go right away to the next level where I have that 22.5 mark. So I get in long. I put my sell order, like always put your sell orders. Doesn't cost you anything, but the stock, if it spikes there, you can get sometimes either filled or partially filled, at least, shares at a better, higher price. Anyways, the stock is moving higher, and I'm looking at that first level of resistance, supposed to be the 2250s, and then we're looking at 2270s, where I just put my order right there. And then we're looking at the 2280s, so every 10 cents pretty much here, and then over that probably the round number that we're looking at. I always plan my trade, so my stop is right at the purple line, and then my reward is way bigger. So even if I take 3/4 of my size at the 22.5, I still made, let's say, 2 times or 3 times my risk on the whole position. And this is really important. This is what you need to know. Right here I take some because started getting stalled out, and what just happened right there is I actually hit the instant out key by mistake again. So I made 2 mistakes today, and you can see the stock just continued up to the upside. I made 2 mistakes, and I called it a day because I wasn't really focused at that point, and frustration builds up. So thank you for watching guys. Again, please like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, and I'll see you in the next one.